We talk about addition of matrices. Before going to this topic, let's summarize the previous topic, that is recap the topic of equality of matrices. The equality of matrices says if two matrices A and B are equal, so their order must be same and their individual atoms are also same. For example, this is A11 and this is B11, so A11 is equal to B11. Okay, now we talk about the addition of matrices. So in that case, first point is that the order must be same, order same, and individual atom add with individual, means A1 adds with A2 and B1 add with B2, means these elements are same, so they add this same element. Okay, the position A11 add position B11, not the position A11 add anything else. Okay, that is same position element add. Okay, that was part. Let's understand by the concept. For example, let's say this was our matrices of 3 cross 3. Okay, this is A B C D E F 1 2 3, and same thing is E F Z H I K and 6 7 8, again is 3 by 3. Now the A plus B or something subtraction, it is same, that is A plus minus of E, B plus minus of F, and C plus minus of Z, D plus minus with H, E plus minus with I, and F plus minus with K. And similarly for 1 plus minus with 6 and 2 plus minus with 7, and similarly 3 plus minus of 8, which is 3 cross 3. And it can be further extended if we have many number of, like for example, this is our A, this is B, this is C, and similarly this is our AN. So all these if had same orders, so we can add, for example, it say Z X Y, it say something else. So the overall of addition it become which is A plus B plus E plus Z plus blah blah blah. And similarly for all these era, like in if the same order, they can extend this infinity. Okay, the set of maybe all the n set of matrix. Let's assume for example, if you understand this is in a real life example, so like this is a case of, this is a case of 11th students, and this is a row of 11th student, this row is 12th of student, this row is in 10th of student. Okay, similarly this is in a 10th of students, 11th, this 12th and 10th row of students. So similarly for all, this is a part of the assembly prayer where these are in the arranged in the different type of areas. So now the principle, like in U R says that all these class are match, that is add with their own class. So the individual classes add their individual, nothing 11th class student add the 12th class of student. Okay, so similarly for this, like an 11th class of student add with the 11th class, join the 11th class rows. Okay, so 11th class student row join the 11th, similarly 12th, similarly for 10th is extended up to n terms. For example, we have almost 20 rows, 20 type of groups. Okay, like in up to 20. So the all the numbers which are in start from say 11, say 12th and say 10th, so the 11th class group people, students join the 11th class of group, you know, and you can assume it by I use own example. Maybe you understand what I am saying, that so this is a kind of example of addition of matrices, that is the same element add with the same element, must order with the same. Okay, I hope you understand what I am giving you the logic. In the next class we will talk about the multiplication, and I gave you some questions like this in X Y Z 2 3 4 and U V W. Okay, so matrix B is I J K L M N and 3 4 5. Okay, Similarly, matrix C is P Q R W X Y and 10 11 12. So add them both. Okay, A plus B plus C. This is an example question number 1, and the question number 2 is think by own imagination, make a question. The answer of I gave you this, and this is your question, and if you answer this correct, write down the question in your comment section, and let me check you done wrong or right. Okay, so make a real life example and think like this is a class 10th student, this is a class 11th, this is a class 12th student, because matrix the arrangement of things. So this is a for example, so all these 10th student are add with the row of 10th class. Similarly, like in the admit card of, if the admit card of bold are given by the class wise, in that case the 10th class admit card give the 10th class rows. So similarly the 10th student are joining the rows, same thing. So this is an example of it. I hope you understand. If you understand, likes and subscribe. We will meet in next video. Bye bye.